Hello students, myself Manish Agrawal. Today we will discuss the topic in biology, that is the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. The sexual reproduction in flowering plant is the topic. It comprises the total procedure of the sexual reproduction in flowering plant. The flowering plants which we include in phanerogames. There are two categories of plant. One is cryptogames and another is phanerogames. The phanerogames include gymnosperm and angiosperm. So when we talk about the flowering plant, so the flower is the site of sexual reproduction. So first of all we will discuss what is flower and how the sexual reproduction in flower takes place. So the entire family of angiosperms reproduce by the flower, and it is the site of sexual reproduction. Flower is the site of sexual reproduction in angiosperm, dicot and monocots both. So there a brief description of flower. This is the basal part of the flower. This is the pedicel, and here arises the calyx, and also called sepal, and here arises the petals. It is the colored part of the flower, also called corolla. So corolla is the complete circumference and complete cluster of the petals, while the sepals are the while the calyx is the cluster of sepals. So many sepals together constitute calyx and many petals together constitute corolla part of the flower. So this is the outermost part, and this is the another round of whorls of the petals. Now the main organ in the plant is the androecium and gynoecium. So androecium is the stamen. It is also located in the center on this basal part and arises from it. It consists of two parts. One is filament. Stamen is consists of two parts. One is filament and another is anther. And in the center of the flower there is gynoecium. There is gynoecium part. So gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower, while stamens are the male reproductive part of the flower. Together all the stamen present in the flower constitute androecium part, male part of the flower. Either single or more than one stamens constitute the androecium part, and this is the gynoecium, also called, this is the pistil. So this is the gynoecium part and also called carpel. So either it is monocarpellary or it is bicarpellary, either it is fused or it is free. So it is this condition of gynoecium, carpel and pistil. This is the female reproductive part and stamens constitute male reproductive part. So this is the brief description of the various organs of the flower. Thank you.